In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add diffuse highlights to clips. To get started, I just added a clip to my timeline that I'd like to add a few highlights to. Let's begin by holding down the Alt key on your keyboard and dragging the clip onto the track above to duplicate it, max. Let's head over to the Effects panel and type Luma key into the search box. Drag the Luma key effect on your top clip. Over in Effect, controls the threshold should already be set to 100%, but if it isn't, increase it to 100. Then go back over to the Effects panel and type Camera Blur into the search box. Drag the effect on your bottom clip, which will create this nice looking diffuse highlights effect. In Effect Controls under Camera Blur, you can change the blur amount based on how strong you want the effect to be. Okay, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.